Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Amsterdam step by step. Pay attention to ticket types and validate before boarding. Start by choosing contactless payment, an OV-chipkaart, or a mobile ticket. Learn where to buy and top up cards, how to check routes on tram and bus maps, and how to scan correctly when entering and exiting for a smooth, stress-free journey through the city. Open a route planner or the GVB app to enter your start and end points and pick the best tram or bus. Note route numbers, stop names, and any walking needed between stops. Watch vehicle displays and listen for announcements so you know when to get off. If you prefer, ask the driver or fellow riders for quick confirmation. Planning ahead reduces stress and helps you enjoy Amsterdam's sights while traveling. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others discover these tips. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which is perfect for commuters and travelers who want light, long battery life, and easy reading on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab yours or learn more. Now let's get back to the video. Board calmly and move inside to make room for others, keeping aisles clear and luggage out of seats. Offer priority seats to those who need them and keep noise low to respect fellow passengers. If you have a bike ticket or stroller, follow vehicle rules and place items safely. Validate or tap your ticket when required and carry proof of payment. Small courtesies make public transport smoother and more pleasant for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.